Hey guys, welcome back to BDR Garage. I've had requests for some Go Ped stuff. Here's one of the big tanks. I will show a video of this Go Ped, but I wanted to show you how to install these fuel lines. A lot of people don't know, and I know a lot of you do. I always pre-cut these, but these came pre-cut from Dave's Motors. Always want to cut them on an angle. Both sides are actually cut, so I don't think it matters which way you put them in. But anyway, I'm going to try and do this so you guys can see it. Pick your line. You just got to get it coming out the top. Oh. I am most likely not going to edit this. Sometimes you can lube up. Oh, I may have to lube these up. Let's try the blue one first. It's good that it's that tight, because that means it's going to seal nice. I've had a couple used tanks I put new lines in, and they were so loose that even when I drew the filter and side piece through, that it just, I don't know if you can see it. You probably can't see anything. You just got to keep turning it, you know, like this, and get it so it comes out the top. It's probably a bad idea to do it in this light right there. That's better. Where is it? You know what? I'm going to take this out. I don't need that. Stick my finger in there and grab the line. Ooh, almost got it. Sorry, you're gonna have some dead time. That's the hardest part. It's getting that line to come out the top. Now I gotta do the other one. Alright. Now this one's got almost straight, and this one's got more of an angle on it, so we're gonna go with the more angle. Like I said, I pre-cut them if they don't come that way. This set did. Again, just push it in till it's far enough, and then try to work it around. I'm looking for it. I don't even see it. Gonna have background noise. Okay, so it was slightly edited, and that's only because people stopped by to say hi. Anyway, both lines are through and still there. So now there's that guy for the yellow line. Oh, I forgot. Cut them straight. You could probably leave them on an angle, but I always cut them straight. Alright. If you have a hard time, get a heat gun. Harbor Freight. Heat up the line, push it in.
There's like a spider over in the front door.
Alright, that's in. This one tends to be a little easier. I just twist this one as I'm putting it in. A little. You also got to be careful you don't twist the plastic. I have done that before. That's pretty good. And then pull from this side and just pull them back through. And when you get it down, you've got to make sure that that tip that you put in the fuel line pulls through. If you can see. I can see the tip. I don't know if you can see it. It's a little bit of black. And sometimes you can get a screwdriver down in there, flathead, and just push a little bit. But usually if you pull... Oh, there you go. That's good. That makes it pretty solid. I'm going to do the yellow one. Hold on. It's easier not to do it in front of the camera right there. Alright, I'll try to show you a better view. Alright, you see them sticking out? The yellow one just a little bit. But it helps seal it. If it doesn't seal, you can always put silicone on or just try again, but I usually only put a little bit of gas, so if I have to drain it again, I don't have to worry about it. And that's pretty much what you do. You can't even see them in there. Looks much cleaner than it did last time. That's it. Any questions? Comments? If you guys do it a different way. This is the way I found that I always do it and it works great. So let me know how you guys do it. And then there's already fuel filter in the tank, so now I just gotta hook it up. And then I get to break in my new engine, which will be in the other video. Thanks guys.